Hello everyone, I am Logesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to HedgeDin by Deloitte biggest hiring process. We are discussing about the next steps from the Deloitte. Candidates referred for opportunity at HedgeDin by Deloitte. Thank you for applying to HedgeDin by Deloitte. We will discuss about each and everything in today's video, online coding test and interview. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I shared the hiring opportunity with all of you. So apply for opportunity. All the links are present is in the description. You have to just click on apply link. Okay, I received lot of queries like where is the apply link. The apply link is here guys. This is always present in the description. So the thing is I see this post from one of their professional 24 or 25 batch can also try to apply for opportunity. Okay, so we are understanding that they are considering the 24-25 batch, so you can reach out to them. Okay, for the referral you have to send connection request to them, they will give you referral. So if you reach out one of the recruiter for the referral, so you will receive this type of mail. This is to inform that your profile has been referred for software engineering domain by the employee name. For further consideration of your candidature by our own team, you are required to fill up the application form by applying below in 3 working days. If shortlisted, our recruitment team will contact you within the next 3 weeks for the further process, and you have to click on apply now here. Okay, so the thing is when they will give you referral, okay, when they will give you referral, so after referral you have to fill the apply application form. Okay, like this type of mail you will also receive, referred for opportunity at HedgeDin by Deloitte. Okay guys, so after application, so they are asking your basic details like name, address, class 10 12, the UG details including university, CGPA of all the above, resume, photo, because there is a shortlisting process. Definitely after applying to that you will receive this type of mail: thank you for applying to HedgeDin by Deloitte. Okay, this email has to be informed that we have received your application for trainee engineer SDE. We appreciate your interest. In case your profile is shortlisted, our recruitment team will contact you within the next 3 weeks. Please continue to search our career portal. Recruitment process is screening, interview round 1, 2, fitment round, offer confirmation and onboarding. I created poll on our WhatsApp group, like some of the candidate applied and got referral and received the next mail. Let's discuss about the hiring process of HedgeDin by Deloitte. Okay, so it is for the trainee engineer role. So one most important point, trainee engineer is the role, software engineer one for the 2 month, after that full time. Performance based conversion during internship INR 25,000 per month, and software engineer 1 INR 8 lakh is the package. Okay, so they mention professional development and about their company, about their hedged in Deloitte. Okay, you are graduated in BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCS, CS and aligned branches only, with no active backlog, with 80 percentage. So the thing is, I think they are considering the most probably graduate, technology graduate, to join a software developer. So 24-25 you can try to apply. What you will do in HedgeDin, they mention about that like innovative development, precision coding. Okay, let's discuss about the campus selection process. First is PPT presentation. I think PPT presentation is related to role. Okay, or you have to present something. Okay, after that online coding test will be there. They will share all the details in the later mail when you shortlisted for the opportunity, because like after applying there is a screening profile. Okay, after that your test will be started. So online coding test will be there, technical interview 1 2 3 based on interview performance. The process is very different. HR interview and offer confirmation. Okay, so I suggest everyone to check on YouTube. Okay, many of the candidates selected in the HedgeDin, so you can check the recruitment process from HedgeDin. You can check the multiple interview experience. Okay, one most important point, recruiting team, from developing a standout resume to putting your best forward in the interview, we want you to feel prepared and confident you to explore opportunity in HedgeDin. Okay, be prepared to discuss your approach to challenge and problem solving, explaining your thought process and decision making. Be ready to discuss personal project in detail, highlighting your role and contribution to showcase your technical and communication. So they are मतलब simple भाषा में they are like mentioning you have project knowledge, you have technical related knowledge. Okay, be prepared to discuss about problem solving and other challenges. Research the company. Definitely they will ask about the company, why do you want to join HedgeDin. Okay, आप क्या जानते हो HDIN के बारे में. ड्यूरिंग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग और केस स्टडी इंटरव्यू फोकस ऑन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग योर यूनिक अप्रोच एंड थॉट प्रोसेस बाय शोकास योर इनोवेटिव थिंकिंग. सो इस टाइप से भी वो आपसे पूछेंगे. वी विल लेटरली डिस्कस अबाउट द इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस, but you have to prepare for the PPT presentation, online coding test, and then technical interview will be there. I hope you like the video and apply for opportunity which we are sharing on our channel. Thanks for watching the video.